Pag natalo yan, kanya-kanya na tayo.
Sundan mo lang yan, Pe. Sundan mo lang yan. Sundan yan.
Foul on number 22. First personal foul on Manny Balaba.
Galaw! Para di may stroke!
They use all the time. Look. ايش هذا؟
Ganun lang depensa!
This is it, man. Started.
Box out kayo! Tulungan nyo, sentro!
Ayan. Look,
And to shoot. Easy.
Tao.
Manny Balaba.
Black. Stop. Play nyo na pre. Yung play. Na. Easy. Nice, Ernest.
Foul on number 13. Second personal foul on Marvin Torres.
Napitan nyo kagad. Babawa! Wala! What this?
Jopet Rajabuayan.
Somebody should complete.
Tingnan nyo yan si ano.
Pesto, mo na, Pesto.
Pesto, baba.
Babastong. Sure ba, pre?
Manny Balaba.
Nice. Go ahead. Yeah, don't stop, man.